everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this is my month to be the hostess for the Mini Kit Monday. I will be having a prize for the all the entries that we collect. Now the way that it works for you to get your name in the hat is you can have it up to 4 times. You need to upload your mini kit that you made for the month. You put it on the Facebook web what am I trying to say? The Mini Kit Monday Challenge Facebook page, the challenge page. This is hard for me to spit out. And you put it under the June 2019 album. So first you've got your kit, and then there are 4 Mondays in the month of June, so we need 3 more pages, and so there's a total of 4 maximum points that you can get, or your name in the hat. And then at the end of the month I will put everyone's name, I'll assign it a number, and then we'll do the generator, whatever that's called. I can't remember. I don't do it very often. And then I'll pick a name, and then I'll send you a prize. More than likely, I haven't decided what the prize is yet, but I will probably make a kit similar to what I am showing today, and I will send it to you. So that can be your kit for but you probably wouldn't have it in time for July, but you might want it for July, but maybe for August or even September. Alright, so I also chose this to be the inspiration piece. I love those summery colors. I found this on Pinterest. You can use the Ferris wheel if you want that to be part of the inspiration, but I really got it for the colors. Look how beautiful those are. This is also on the Facebook page, so if you want a better look, it's probably better to look on that than through my phone. But I want to show you what I have collected for my kit. This kit for the month of June is quite a bit bigger than it was for the month of May. You can go back and look and see what I did for the month of May. You can do the beginning one and then the recap. Now I do a recap at the end of the month so you can see what I have left over. I didn't have a lot left over for the month of May. That's the way it's supposed to go. You're supposed to use your stash. Alright, so what I did, I don't know if I can keep that where you can see it. I'll just put it here. There we go. So I wanted to have some solid cardstock. This is about the closest I could get to this color here. And then I have this orange that has kitty hair all over it. And then this is kind of this is a red, but this is more of a pinky color. So I'm going to go with this color here, even though I do have some red elements that you'll see here in a bit. And then here's a yellow and a white. So these are my solid cardstock, and I've given myself permission to cut into all 12 by 12 papers. I can do it. It's okay. I did get quite a few scraps as well, but let me show you what I got for the solids. I mean the full 12 by 12. I got this orange pattern paper. It's really super duper thin. Let me see if you can see. It has a little bit of a design, but it looks orange. And then there is this. This is from Echo Park. I Love Sunshine. I got it for this little swirlies on it. Don't really like it for that side. It's too busy. And then this chevron page, and this is from a paper pad that I don't remember from where. And then my bigger pieces of cardstock or pattern paper, I pulled this one because of the red, the red and the yellow. It doesn't have navy in it, so I could cut those out easy. And then I thought this went really well. It has pretty much all the colors in it. This is, I think, is a green, but it could come across as a yellow. And then I have this yellow. Oh, and I love this one. This is from LE Studio. Love, love, love that one. So these are my bigger pieces. Oh, I didn't show you this one. This one is from Alexandra Rinke, and I got this in a Click Kit a few months back, and I love that. So I also have some embellishments that are, well, they're styled like Rinke's anyway. All right, so there is that. And then the smaller pieces of cardstock, I just pulled as much as I could. I went through, now, how I store my pattern paper is, I do some of them by collection, but some of them are by color. So I just went through my yellow, and that's where I pulled, you know, those larger pieces that you saw, and I had these. I wanted to go ahead and get them used up. I might end up punching them. Here's a red piece. I don't know if I'll use that. Here's this color orange. And then this, these were already triangles. So let me see if I can do something with that. 6x6 papers. Here's a red, another red with arrows. This has a lot of colors in it. This one is a little different because, you know, it has the creamy background, but we'll see. I used the creamy and the white last month, and it turned out beautiful. And then I got this pretty little Studio Paradise Found. Had all the colors in it. That's all the paper. So I have given myself a lot of paper this month, which I'm so glad, because I didn't have very much last month. Learned my lesson. I gotta have more. Oh, wait, I still have. I got this also from Click Kits. This is from July of last year, and it has a lot of the colors that that are in this inspiration piece. And let's see, I think that's it for the papers. I'm going to show you the embellishments. Let me just keep this white one here. I pulled this. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but it has the red. You know, it doesn't really have a lot of the colors, but they coordinate with these colors here. And then this is a partial pack that I have from Vicki Boutin. I'm going to use that. You know, normally I don't pull a alpha, but I have, these are white. I don't know if you can even see. Oh my gosh, yes, they're there. It is alpha. And then I have this washi tape. This is from Freckle Fawn. I've been better about using washi tape. It's got a bunch of good, oh gosh, it has a lot of good sayings. I think that's going to be beautiful. I love yellow. This is from Freckle Fawn. The navy doesn't go, but some of the other colors do. And then this one as well. There's a lot of white, but it has like Drink in the Sun. It has a lot of summer sayings with it, and I will probably be using some photos of my niece and her family that they just took a vacation, so probably going to scrap those. I have these. This is super old. I don't even know if it's going to have a year on it. Tropical Stitched Word Sticker Sheet. No, it doesn't even have a year. It says Daisy Hill. I've had this for years. So I'm going to try my hand at this one. Now this one is Fancy Pants. Oh gosh, I don't even know what it's called because these pieces are so big. It has, here, I'll just show you. Not all the pieces are in there, but there's enough in there for me to kind of make, and it's the same as that, you know, that sticker sheet. Actually, they're not stickers. It's like, what do they call it? Puffy stickers. They're not just plain stickers, they're puffy stickers. So it's from the same collection. And I'm getting these Horizon flowers a chance. So those are beautiful. I'm not sure where I got that. Oh, I'm pretty sure I ordered that from scrapbook.com. Oh my goodness. I have so much more than I did last month. Okay, I have these hearts. I'm pulling out these little rubber pieces, and these are from Freckle Fawn. I got this from Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Colors were perfect. Here's the Alexandra Rinke style little squares. The colors work. And let's see here. I have these wooden pieces. Now these are from Freckle Fawn, and I thought that I could color them with the new sprays that I just got. Well, I got some new sprays. Some of them I've had on, was it National Scrapbook Day? Shimmers had a sale, and I picked up some colors that I picked up 9. That's a lot, but they're colors I didn't even have. So one of them, this is Freshly Squeezed, and I know that that goes well. Here's another orange one, Sunset Strip. This one's a colorings, this one's a vibes. I could use those. I already had this one, this colorings. It's no yoking. It's a real pretty yellow. And then I have the mint, the Heidi Swapp mint. So I could definitely color these with those sprays. Here's one, a little piece that says love. It has been floating in my stuff forever. Here's some sunglasses. This is that texture paper. I don't even know. I don't know. It could be Cardabella. I don't really know. Here's Getaway and Relax. All right, so that is it for my kit. It is so full. I normally don't encourage people to make a kit this big for only 4 layouts, but I will probably keep some of it together and continue making pages for other collaborations that I'm doing for the next month. So I don't feel too bad about it. All right, so I do encourage you to go over to Mini Kit Monday Facebook page. It's a challenge page. We have grown so much. I don't think we've doubled yet in a month, but we have definitely increased in numbers. There's lots of inspiration. Everyone is so encouraging. I so appreciate all the kindness that's being spread throughout that, and I know the rest of the girls feel the same way. All right, make sure you check out the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday group. Be Becky and Kathy, Daisy, Shannon, Leslie, and I'm forgetting someone, and I'm so sorry. I think I'm missing one. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, I'll have links to their channels below, and I'll see you guys next week with the first page that I make with this kit. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.